Welcome to Gamit Kitchen. Today's recipe is the most famous Egyptian recipe ever. It's fava beans, فول المدمس. I will show you how to make it from scratch. All you need is 500 grams fava beans, 1 cup crushed fava beans, half a cup of yellow lentils, 2 garlic cloves, 1 tomato, 1 sliced tomato, 1 sliced large lemon, 1 teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon of cumin, and half a teaspoon of paprika. First, soak the beans for 4 hours while changing its water twice during soaking. Then, in a beans cooking pot, or what we call it here in Egypt, دماسة فول. If you don't have it, you can use a large pot with a narrow neck. Then add the beans, crushed fava beans, yellow lentils, garlic, tomato slices, lemon slices, turmeric, paprika, and cumin. Some people prefer to add a grated carrot, others 1 teaspoon of vinegar, others add half a cup of hulled wheat or half a cup of white rice. Then fill 3/4 of the pot with the boiling water. Cover with a piece of aluminium foil, then a piece of cling film. Then cover the pot. Put it on the stove on the smallest eye on high heat. As soon as you hear it boiling, lower the heat to the lowest and leave it to cook. After 1 hour, check if it needs more boiling water. If not, then cover the pot and leave it to cook for 8 hours. Now your fool is ready to be served. You can serve it as it is or grind it in a mixer. You can also divide it in plastic bags or boxes and leave it in the freezer for later usage. Now, in a small pan, add some olive oil or any vegetable oil or butter or ghee. Then add 1 minced garlic clove, 1 teaspoon of chili pepper. You can also add small tomato cubes. Stir until you smell the garlic, then add the fool. Add to taste salt and cumin. Half a lemon, half tahini. You can also add any vegetables you like. Fool can be cooked daily in a different way. If you want to know more ways for fool, comment below and I will tell you how to make it. If you like this recipe and want to know more Egyptian recipes and more, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and to click on the notification bell below.